You said make a video.
Steph. I mean, Steph. Let's pop it. Let's go. Take a picture.
What's up, bitch? Watch the puddle.
Yo,
want me to watch the puddle?
Come on, no!
Michael said, you know.
No, he didn't. Because he broke up with me.
Why trying to... Yo, shut up, nigga. I'm serious.
Is this a video? Yeah. Hello!
I'm actually trying to take a picture and it's a video. Like, what the hell?
Hello.
TV cribs up in here.
Who said it's a crib?
Hello.
Okay, well, this is my crib. I live in the jungle.
That's
so embarrassing, Stephanie. I wish. Oh my God, this is so embarrassing.
Hey.
Look at that. Yo, what the fuck? There's a fan in here. In here, like, we're outside. I'm gonna get on the top. Like,
Somebody's there. Somebody's doing live.
here we go. Do this stinky leg. Bitch, I want you and Kenny to do the bird walk. Come on, do it. Ready? No. He's like, what? No.
You say that? No, it's not even like that. It's like this.
Hey.
You're doing the quack quack. That nigga doing the dolphin. Nigga doing the penguin. Ducky ducky. Quack quack.
Reggaeton 6'9". Stop. Wait for president. He did say that? Yes, he did. You want to get a tattoo?
No, wait.
Yes, I look at me. It says tattoo. Ready?
Let's show.
I want to get mine. Roy, go find your mom and tell her to give you the money. Wait, mine's backwards.
Let me direct now.
For real.
What do you
Give
want?
me that money. I can put you back.
Oh.
Why are you with the puddle? You don't have money. You don't feel shit. Wait.
Oh.
I say you don't got no dick.
You don't got shit.
She was hitting me here, nigga.
Watch, let's see. And then, bang. I said it's a thing. Alright, let's go. Don't forget it. That's weird as hell. That's weird as hell. What the fuck you touching your animal? Give me, please. I love fucking puddles. Wow! Hi. I'm in it. Do the thing. I ain't doing that video. Come on, please. I'm taking off my shoes. Girl. Take off your shoes. Watch this. Watch this. To the beat. I ain't gonna be the only one doing it. I'm gonna hit the beat. Ready? No, you're
Go. Get the fuck out of here, nigga. Go.
hit the beat. Yeah. Yesenia.
Okay, go.
She got SmackDown socks.
Hit it with the beat. You're the doing with me. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay, ready? Alright, here we go.
Uh-oh.
Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. Hit it with the beat.
Nah,
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I feel like everyone's watching. You have to do it.
Take 6. Action.
Action!
1, 2, 3,
Wait, you
let's
have to
go.
record
Action.
it. Wait, you gotta record it first. Hit it with the beat. Wait! Take 7.
Hit it with the beat.
Come on, shut the fuck up, yeah, shut the fuck up.
You got the beat. Take 8. Hit it with the beat. Now I'll start doing the beat.
Hit it with the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna dance reggaeton by myself.
I'll do it. Wait, give me the